What is up, guys? Welcome to part 6 of my indie game series. The game has been monetized for around 3 weeks now, so I'm excited to show you guys the initial numbers and let's see where we are. Before we jump into my computer, a lot of people have been asking about development time and cost, so let me just quickly break that down for you. This game took around 3 weeks to build. The development cost was around $1,800, and of course we spent $0 on marketing. So let's have a look at the initial results. So the first set of metrics we are looking at is in my skills dashboard. Remember, we're monetizing this game in 2 ways. The first is with skills and the other one is with ads. So if we can see here, in the last 3 weeks, this game has generated $174.34 with a total of 849 installs, 106 daily active users, and a day 1 retention rate of 39.26%. So if we can scroll down here, we can see this game was monetized on the 12th of January, where it only did 40 cents. And as you can see, the lowest day we've had since monetization is $1.74. The highest day we had is $14.13. So over 3 weeks, we are looking at an average of around $7 a day so far through skills. We're now going to take a look at the ad revenue. So like I said, I'm using Unity ads for this particular game. And if we scroll down, we can see ads were only integrated on January 17th, so around 5 days after it was monetized with skills. And as we can see, in the last 19 days, it has earned just under $100. So if you work out the average, that's around $5 a day through ads. And we currently have an ECPM of $22.14, which is pretty decent since this traffic is mainly US. And yeah, so if you work it out between skills and the ads, this game is generating around $12 a day. And a lot of you people are probably thinking, well, to get $1,000 a month, you need at least $33 a day. However, this is a new game and the initial results are pretty decent. So in time, especially with these type of games, they do take some reiterations. Obviously, I'll be going through the ASO, because although if we can see here, we can see currently I am ranked number 9 for the search term beer pong, which is a great result. However, to see any real traction, it's got to be at least in the top 3. That's where 80% of the installs go. So ranking number 9 is not really going to do anything for any organic installs. So what I'm going to do is I will have to tweak the ASO, maybe tweak a few keywords, make sure that download velocity is increased and we get more reviews and ratings, and that'll help push this up the rankings. So in terms of downloads, it's not getting a ton of downloads. As you can see here, it's averaging around 25 to 30 downloads a day. If we want to hit that $1,000 a month mark, this needs to be at least around 50 or 60 installs per day. But we are definitely on the right track and the initial numbers look really good. So yeah, there you have it. There you have it, guys. In the last 3 weeks, this game has generated $274. I know our goal is to do $1,000 a month. However, the aim of this series is to show you the realities of creating indie games without a marketing budget. Of course, most times in my experience, when you do release a game, it does require a few iterations, some optimizations in order to hit the goal that you have set. So having said that, the initial numbers do look very good. The installs are a bit on the lower side, which is affecting the revenue. So over the next couple of weeks, I will be optimizing everything, and then I will share the results with you in a couple of months to see if we hit that $1,000 a month mark. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please smash that like button, subscribe if you do want to see more content like this. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.